Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about Astrix coin, AIX. So basically it's a new coin. Yes, it may appreciate in value or the coin price may go up or not. We don't know. But mining this coin compared to ALEO. So I did a test. Basically, I put my rig 3060 Ti 8 cards, and I did with 3070 as well. But if I would mine, and I just basically mine for over 1.5 days, but let's say I mine the full day with 55,000 AX. The price for the coin is currently 3 zeros in front of the 4. So if we do the simple math, it's, let's just round it up, 5,500. Even though it was only 4,500 in a day, even if we put 5,500, if you're lucky and you mine that much by 304, that's just $2.20, right? So $2.20 mining on 3070 card. So let's do the, for example, I have 3070 calculation right there on ALEO, and I would mine $4.10. That's all before power, right? So after power would be $1.68. So my power cost is $2.42 at 12 cents right here, all the way in the top. So it's realistically, I would be just going negative. There's no profits for me on AX mining or Astrix. So yes, if the price of coin appreciate, obviously yes, but I would rather not go in negative, but just buy a little bit of coins if I want to get into that new coin. But to be honest, it's not profitable for me. I don't know what you guys think. It's just I had to switch back my rig there back to ALEO because it's ALEO been doing, even the price of ALEO dropping down so much. Been listed on Coinbase, and even on the Coinbase it's like it dropped today to 268. I don't know what's right now. What is right now ALEO price? Let's check it out real quick. So it looks like it's 272 right now. It dropped to 267 today. Was, yeah, probably the lowest over a week. But over a month it was there 260 already, right? So yeah, but it's coming to the lowest again. So probably new low will be soon. I don't know, the price depreciated pretty quickly there after probably Coinbase list. It's pretty normal to see that, but again, the coin is new as well. And but we, even with 260, right, let's go with the 260. So right now I put back my miners all on ALEO, and looks like we let's see what's our 24 average now. It's 45 mega proofs per second, 45.98, almost 46. It fluctuates a lot, you know, like it's, look at that, it shows 57 here 1 minute, and then you refresh, it will be 29 or 30, and then again 55. So it does goes up and down quite a bit. If we look at any of the rigs, just look at 3070 rig, look, it goes like up and down a lot, right? So it goes up a little bit, down, but so the average will be really just somewhere in between those numbers, right? So that's how we kind of figured out. It's not going to be 3, not going to be 2, so it will be 2.5 and so forth. So but on the pool average, that's where we're getting paid. So that's where my concentrated numbers are. I mean, my idea just to get, my goal is to get this 24-hour rate correct, and then I'm transferring this back to this sheet, and then checking out, make sure that I'm getting this hash rate, right? So since I added more cards, I added 8 more cards, so it will be 36 here. I should be getting 43 mega hash rate, and I'm getting a little bit over, so that means my card's performing now a little bit better. My 3080 was not performing the way, not at 0.5, so but I added a little bit of the rate, so closer to 48 probably here, right there. Yeah, so something like that. My 3070 is not quite 0.33 0.33 mega hash. It's more like basically 310 kilohash, right? So maybe 315, I don't know, somewhere around that range. The 3060 Ti about 0.27, not 28. So according to hash rate data, no, slightly different numbers. So that's why I brought my numbers, what I'm getting here in this sheet. And I'm going here to compare, right? So now the price, so let's change the price because it's not $3 anymore. Let's 270. Is it 270? What did I just show? Yeah, right there. It's 272, right? So 270 is good enough. So I'm still on ALEO in profit $1.27. On Astrix, I would be negative 62 cents. So really, even if it's 5,500 coins, I'm still like negative 22 cents. So I don't think I did 5,500. It's more likely like 45, maybe 4,800 coins that I did on my RIC 3060 Ti. So that's my experience with the Astrix. I don't know. It's a new coin, but it's not as profitable still as ALEO. And I don't know, let's check if hash rate and ALEO been able to list that. It was not listed on there. Yeah, so if I check, ALEO is still on top of the list. Celis is like about 8 cents 24 hours, 26 cents 24 hours. Yeah, the price of ALEO dropping. So it's currently 23 cents per card, so it's not as good. It used to be almost 58 cents there, but it's still better than any other coin. So I don't know, or is Alex? Let's see if we can search for coin. Ix, not there. Astrix, yeah, it's not listed on here, so we can't see that profitability on hash rate data. No, but regardless, I think it's not worth wasting your hash rate there. If you're thinking to invest in that coin, not financial advice, is better to buy it because you don't want to go negative if your price per electricity is more than, let's see, 80%. Let me see. Let's go back here. Have 12 cents, so let's do 10. Even if you 10 cents for electrical, it's kind of calculate the old way. All right, so you have to change it. Let's do that. Let me update a couple numbers here. Okay, well, I'll be 18 cents. If at 10 cents, I'll be a little bit better, 18 cents in profit, but still doesn't make sense because I would rather get 168 and buy some Astrix, really, to be honest. Anyways, since I'm on 12 cents, not gonna even work for me, and not gonna, right now at this point, I'm not gonna mine this coin. So for me, really, it's just better to keep my farm on the ALEO at this point. I kept it on Xelix for so long that I'm not sure. It just seems it's better just to get here. Let's check revenue. What am I getting a day there, right? So let's is it updated? Yeah, so 30 ALEO, not that bad. 30 ALEO, 45. So I got the 45 reported there. Mega proofs per second on my farm, which is pretty much where my average, right? Let's look again at my workers. 45, is that what I have? 46, well, pretty good enough, close enough. I increased a little bit of my some of my clocks, so it's probably gonna get to that number in the next payout, but still I'm happy with that. I mean, if I get in 30 ALEO a day, even at 2.70. I'm still on my farm. I'm still gonna be doing $30 almost in profit a day. 29.75, which is pretty close to 900 a month, right? 877. So not too bad, at least something, right, guys? So anyways, that's my update for ALEO versus Astrix. I was kind of hoping Astrix gonna do better. I was so excited not to miss it, but I guess I was too late for ALEO, but maybe too early for Astrix. Is that what it is? I don't know. Or maybe late already. I have no clue. I don't know. Anyways, guys, let me know what you're saying if you've been trying to mine Astrix, if you have better result, but I didn't make it. Look, it's 5,500 on 8 3060 Ti cards. 3070 Ti, 3070 cards would do a little better. Obviously, it was a little better when I tried that, but I don't know, compared to ALEO, I'm still getting probably better hash rate there and rewards on my 3070s right here. Rig, right? 253 and then 127 here. So anyways, that's what I have. Oh wait, it's 12 cards there. Yeah, if we compare 3070 to, just let me copy that and paste here ALEO for 3070. And let's compare to 168. Yeah, it's still a lot better. $1.68. It's about 40 cents better than my 3060 Ti rig. So, but it's still profitable on ALEO, but not profitable for me on the Astrix. Let me know, guys, if you're trying to mine this coin or what's going on with that. I'm just it's kind of new and I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, but I'm not getting this. I'm not getting the coins. Even if I get, how much do I need to get? Let's just check. 8,000 coins, 10,000, not even 10,000 to go to, well, I mean 3060 Ti probably 9,000. Yeah, 9,500. I would, yeah, 9,200 right there, very close. 92 or 92.20, something like that. Yeah, right there. I need to get 92.20 to match ALEO at this ALEO price. Just yesterday, if I mined ALEO was $3, I needed to get a lot better for Astrix, because it's 304. I need to get like 10,000 coins, right? Even more, 11,000. No, 10, 5, 10,200, something like that. Yeah, close to that. Instead of 9,200, I need to get 10,200 just day before to match my ALEO. So it didn't make any sense. I made only half of that coins on my 3060 Ti. Well, let me know, guys. What are you doing that? Are you trying to get AX coins or not, or just sticking out with ALEO? Well, that's my strategy here on GPU. I kind of put that spreadsheet here. Let me zoom out so you can see the whole thing calculated here for me. That's my actually hash rate per card averages. So not quite what hash rate, I don't know. Let me know what you're getting. Obviously, this is my power consumption on all of these cards, so it's not per card. If I put one card individual, it will be just like that. One card here, one card here. Okay, so 3060 Ti, 3080, and 3070. That's roughly where I am per card on profits and for revenue right here. So you can stop it, pause it, and check it out if it's something that you're getting. I'm calculating for all of my cards altogether, so that's my numbers for my 140 cards. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you're mining this anything than ALEO right now. kind of interesting to see and test it out. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Click the like button, consider subscribing to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.